Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you open video editor on your Windows 11 computer and before we used to get an option to add video files, but now if you're receiving this pop which says start editing in Clipchamp or Photos Legacy. So it's not working like before. Like it used to give an option to add your video file and start editing, but this is not happening. And over here also, you are opening video editor, but it's opening Photos app, and there is no video editor option over here. So if you're facing this problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. I started facing this problem after installing this update, that is KB5019980. I think I'm not 100% sure, but I think after installing this update, I started facing this problem. Video editor is missing after installing this update. So you can try this. You can scroll down, click on uninstall update, and then you can click on uninstall. After the uninstall, restart your computer, and after the system restart, try opening video editor and then check. But still you're facing the problem, and if you don't want to uninstall this update, in that case, when you open video editor, if when you receive this prompt, you can simply click on get legacy photos legacy, click on it, and this will open Microsoft Store on your computer, and then you will see an option to install Microsoft Photos Legacy. So click on install this Photos Legacy. Now, if you're not receiving this prompt to install Photos Legacy, in that case, you can go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. So open this link in a browser. This will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can see Microsoft Photos Legacy. Click on Get in Store app, and it will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store, and then you will see the install option to install Microsoft Photos Legacy. Click on it and let the download complete. Now, once the download is complete, you can open this Microsoft Photos Legacy, close it. Now, over here, you can see video editor and go to video editor, and you can start. Just close this, maybe later. It will still tell you to install Clipchamp. Click on maybe later, and you can start selecting your videos file like before. And so yeah, you can start adding your files and you can proceed with the editing. You can separately also open video editor and check. Let's check. Yeah, so you can start editing from here. And whenever you want to edit any video, you can go to videos, whichever video you want to uh, edit. You can simply make a right click and then open with Photos Legacy. Select this, and you can also trim your video from here. So you can click on this edit on the top over here. So I think it should start working. So install this Microsoft Photos Legacy, and then the video editor should work. I don't know why Microsoft did this changes, because actually it's giving me trouble. So this is how you can fix it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.